Hello and welcome back to Design Republic. Today I'm going to teach you how to scale by reference in AutoCAD. In other words, how to match the dimensions of the red box to the dimensions of the green box. We start with a simple example and then we are moving to a more practical example. So how to change this line 2.3 units to this line 3 units without guessing. We go to the command line and type scale. Press enter. We select our object. Press enter again. We choose a point, and as you see, the scale command is active. To scale by reference while the scale command is active, we press R, enter. Now, important, we choose the starting point of our line and then the ending point of our line. Click, and now we type 3, enter. And as you see, this line, which was 2.3 units, is now matching with the green box 3 units. And this one, which was 3 units, is now as the green box 4 units. Let's move to a more practical example. I have here two plans. The one on the right, this one, is correct. My wall is 20 centimeters and my bedroom's dimension is 620 by 520. In this plan, for some reason, I messed the scale up. I have a wrong scale of the wall. The dimension is 50 centimeters, which I know is wrong, and my bedroom as well. To be safe, as I know always, my walls are 20 centimeters. So how to fix this issue? Again, we go to the command line and type the command scale. Enter. We select our floor plan, press enter again, and we zoom into a wall. We click a point, and as you see again, the scale command is active. As previously displayed, to scale by reference, we hit R, enter, while the scale command is still active. We choose the starting point, click, the end point, click, and we type 20. And as you see now, the wall is 20 centimeters and our bedroom is 620 by 520 as it's supposed to be in the correct plan. Thanks for watching, and if you learned today something, please support us by like and subscribe. If you don't want to miss out our future tutorials, hit the notification button. Thank you and see you soon.